Say hi, Avril. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say I'm a cutie pie girl.
I'm a cutie pie girl.
I love you, Mama.
I love you, Mama.
Now blow me a kiss. Oh, that's my sweetest princess girl.
I'm done.
Yeah, let's say hi to baby Mikhail. Baby Mikhail is walking around in the walker.
And that one isn't walking around in a walker.
Yes, she is.
She's walking around in a walker.
Yes, she is. Hi, cute baby Mikhail.
I'm walking.
What you doing, cute girl?
I'm walking. Look
What
at
you
me
doing?
walking.
I am. I'm looking at you walking. Do you want to sing a song for the camera? Can you?
I am a child of God, and He has
Sent me here.
sent me here, and given me an early home with parents kind and dear. Lead me, guide me, walk beside me, help me find a way. Teach me all that I must do to live with Him someday.
Yay! Go, Avril! Mommy's so proud. That's a good singer. That's a good singer.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I
Wonder what you are.
sing it above the world. So
Up above the world. There goes baby Mikhail. The ants go marching one by one. Hurrah!
she wants to go in the living room.
Does she? She's hiding under the desk. Come here, baby Mikhail.
I'm a baby.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Can you sing a song, baby Mikhail? That's good. That sounded kind of like Mary Had a Little Lamb, but not really. There she goes. She's eating the dolly. Hey, hi, baby Mikhail.
I can't. I can't.
Yes, you're a cute girl.